go. Gotta remove this garbage disposer. First thing, unplug it. And then we're gonna start by loosening. This one's got the connection here with the extension. So I'm gonna loosen this. Already loosened it. Then we're gonna take these screws out. Sometimes it's pretty hard. Take this one out. Alright, loosen both of them. I'm gonna loosen these up since I have a screwdriver. Loosen this up. And then we're gonna take them out. Let's pull this out. Sometimes it can be hard. You might have to stick a screwdriver in there to break it free. Alrighty. I'm gonna loosen these guys. You're gonna stick the screwdriver in here. You're gonna spin it like this to get it out. So I'm gonna put this down and take this off, guys, and we'll get back in.